Okay, so in this step of the project, at this point, you should have two lists and 1 year selected for each of the lists. Okay, so I'm going to show you my lists as well as the years that are selected. So I've got life expectancy in years 2022 and income 2022 as well. Okay. Here's what we're going to do next. In our next step, we're going to reconcile the data. We're going to make sure that there are no gaps and we're going to put them next to each other. Okay, so to start, we're going to freeze the top row. So we click on the one, we go to view, freeze, one row. And what that's going to do is it's going to keep that from being sorted. Okay, then what we're going to do is we're going to click on the arrow at the top of column B, which is the year, and we're going to sort that sheet from highest to lowest. And what that's going to do is if there's a gap, it's going to put all the gaps at the bottom. So we go down to the bottom, we see there are no gaps, and that's perfect. So we're going to come back and we're going to sort column A from A to Z. That's going to put it back in order based off of the country. We're going to do the same thing for our second list. So again, click on the top row, view, freeze that one row, and then we're going to sort from A to Z the column B. We're going to go down to the bottom, and we're going to make sure that there are no gaps. Okay, as long as there are no gaps, everything is cool. We're going to come back. We're going to sort column A to Z. That's going to put it back in order. Now, this part is very important, okay? We're going to take our independent variable, and we're going to make that the sheet that we're going to use. Let me show you what I mean. So first of all, 2022 is the year. We're no longer interested in the year because we know it's the same. So we're going to call it life expectancy. Life expectancy. Okay. And then the next one is going to be income. So we're going to take this and make it income. Okay. All right. So we've got income and life expectancy. Now, my hypothesis is income affects life expectancy. So income would be our independent variable and life expectancy would be our dependent variable. So I'm going to come over on life expectancy. I'm going to click on country right up here at the top, and I'm going to press Control A, and that's going to select all of the data. Then I'm going to press Control C, and that's going to copy that data. I'm going to come back over to income, come up to the top of column C, Control V, and then we have everything on one